Hey everybody, so today check out these earrings that I got in the mail. So they are TIGRADE. So it comes in this nice little blue box. When we open this up, these are heart dangle earrings, which are super cute. Look how sparkly they look. So nice. So it comes with a little heart dangle charm, and it also comes with like a little nice crystal on top as well, like a circle one. What's really unique about these is that the band comes, one is double band and the other one's a single band, and also too, on top of the double band it has like a little small nice little crystal on top. Super cute. You can wear these for casual dates, or you can just wear them out, or honestly you can just wear them, dress them up or dress them down. So let's go ahead and put these on. Alrighty guys, so I went ahead and already put them on. What's really nice about these earrings is that they are pushback, so you don't have to screw in or anything, which is really nice. They also come with a pair of plastic ones, so just in case if you don't want the gray ones, you can use these plastic ones, or also too, if you do end up losing the back of the earring, you can always use these as well. So if you want to try them out, check them out.